capitalize on it, but here he got a boundary. Reminiscent. Oh, that is problems. If it's gone.
Unbelievable. It's a direct hit from Abdur Razzaq. And everyone is stunned here. What a wicket, what a bonus. Unbelievable. Gautam Gambhir probably looking to change the strike over, looking to get to his 50. But he misread this single. The striker prompted Sehwag to come for that run. And Inzamam ul Haq and company were hoping that Razzaq gets it on target, which he did in the end. Gone for 38, India, well, one down. Sehwag gone, 87 for 1. That's close, that's gone, that's out. That's a major breakthrough. It looked very close the moment Gautam Gambhir went across the line. It was always going to be dicey.
Well, he's not happy. Gautam Gambhir is looking at his bat. He may have indicated that may has got a tickle onto that one, but that's good swing bowling. This is what we were talking about. That's the length he has to bowl, curling into Gambhir, going across Gambhir and then being struck. Maybe a little hint of an inside edge, but then maybe not. We couldn't quite be sure, but looked like an inside edge. Gautam Gambhir has gone for 52. It's 108 for 2.
Oh, taken. Brilliant catch. Brilliant catch. Absolutely stunning catch. Yunus Khan has taken a blinder, and Rahul Dravid, well, what a wicket. What a breakthrough by Arshad Khan. Now this is fantastic bowling from him.
Well, you've got a game on now. Tremendous delivery outside the off stump, pitched perfectly in those footmark areas, off the pad and then on, just taking the maker's name off the bat, and what a catch. That ball was travelling, that was quick. Yunus Khan has taken a terrific catch, 16 to Dravid, 118 for 3.
That is. Oh, close, very close, and given, yes. Brilliant delivery from Afridi. It was always going to be close. He's bit like Anil Kumble. He's quicker through the air, doesn't spin the ball much. So VVS Laxman should have thought about it earlier.
Modern day umpires tend to give these out. If the ball is straight, it doesn't matter whether you've got a decent stride going. No doubt where the ball was heading. The bat was hidden behind the pads. It's a fair decision from Simon Toffel. India 127 for 4.
Here's a top spinner, an off spinner, and a very quick faster one. Oh, clean him up through the gate. He doesn't believe it. He's staying there. He's not walking. Well, everyone round there are very sure that that ball has cleaned up the Indian captain. I think he's got to leave. Even though it may seem unbelievable to Sourav Ganguly, but I think it was pretty evident from where we were that that ball went through the gate.
Yeah, he can't believe that that ball has come back. There was no doubt that it was a bowled, but he was obviously surprised, desperately wants some runs. He stood his ground. Simon Toffel actually had to tell him that he was out. We are not going to refer that to the TV umpire. In fact, he's looking at the giant screen just to confirm what we've all seen. Bowled by Afridi for 2. India 135 for 5 and in deep trouble now. Doesn't help. The advice hasn't helped. Dinesh Karthik's off stump has gone for a walk.
Great delivery from Mohammad Sami. He was calm and collective, was looking to bowl on a good line and produced a beauty. A famous in-swinging Yorker from a Pakistani bowler doing the trick. Tipping in at the last moment. And in order to play such deliveries, you have to clear your front leg. Dinesh Karthik didn't do that, and he had to pay the price. The gate is open for the Pakistanis. 164 for 6 India. Pakistan is going to level the series.
And appropriately, that gateway of India. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. There's no doubt about it. Shahid Afridi has struck once again. The third time he's got Tendulkar, and what a time for Pakistan.
And what a delivery. What a delivery that one. Sachin Tendulkar was expecting the ball to turn away from the bat. And it wasn't the case. And he's not happy with himself. He's annoyed, but not the Pakistanis. Beautifully bowled. Straighter delivery. Foxed Sachin Tendulkar. Have a look. Well, this is the happy joint for the Pakistanis. Celebrations already. India in trouble. 164 for 7.
Off the boot. Off the boot. I think they've got him. It looks dicey. It looks difficult. The body language is extremely positive from the Pakistani fielders, and I also thought for a second or so that the ball hit the toe of the shoe and lopped back into the fielder's hands. It'll be interesting, very interesting.
Well, they can't give it out, that's for sure. They've got to ask the third umpire. That may be out. It's definitely off the boot.
He's uneasy. Irfan Pathan is not confident. I think that could be a very, very lucky wicket for Pakistan. That ball never touched the ground. It hit the toe. There you see. No explosion from the ground, from the pitch. Hit the toe. And that would be given as out.
That's very clear to me, Ramiz, that it hasn't touched the ground. There's almost an inch there. It's on the toe and off it to the batsman.
And he's gone, he's out. He's been given out. Unbelievable dismissal. And what a wicket for Pakistan at this stage. Lucky breakthrough.
Yes, and I couldn't quite understand why they changed ends at this stage. But they've got their man. They've got the 8th wicket. Playing onto his toe and into the hands of the fielder. So the 8th wicket is down. It's 189 for 8 India.
Oh, he's taken it. It seems like it. Yunus Khan has picked up a catch at Silly Point. The batsman is walking. And the 9th wicket gone. It's Harbhajan Singh who's walking back to the dressing room. Khaneria looking skywards. Only 1 wicket now separates the two teams.
Well, that was one of the best catches you could ever see. Yunus Khan was moving in. He wasn't still. Have a look. And the ball was pushed. He was juggling, and at the last moment he was able to hold the ball. Brilliant catch. Now Pakistan only 1 wicket away from leveling the series. Was a good effort, not to forget, from Harbhajan Singh. 2-1-0 for 9.
This time, have they got him? Yes, they have! Victory for Pakistan, and it is a phenomenal comeback by the team that was written off. They lost in Kolkata. They had a tough time in Mohali saving it. They've come back to square the series, and it is, I think, they deserve to win.
Most certainly, yes. What a comeback from this young team. Balaji is not happy, but Pakistanis are ecstatic, and rightly so. What a fight back. What a team that Bob Woolmer and company have gathered. They look absolutely a fighting unit. The fans are absolutely jubilant. And what a comeback, what a comeback. No one had given them a chance really to match India in this test series.